Like we have to surf. Real nature time. We outside, big waves. LU baby. Maximum protection. You're playing nice music. I'm from Dubai. You know DJ and MC. Yeah. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We outside. It's 7 in the morning. LU, what we saying, yo? Tangina na balagbag tong tropa. Alas 10 kagabi minessage ako, LU daw. Hindi pa man din ako nakatapak dito. Di ako makahindi. Ito kami si LU ngayon, guys. Time check is 7:30 in the morning. Oh my God. We don't know what to do. Shout out to my brother. Let's go. Silong. Oh, we got a crowd out here. Ito ako sa ano, Mi? Bili lang ako 7-Eleven. Punta 7-Eleven ng Elio nga lang. Aray ko.
Sabihin ko na sa'yo.
Oh.
Patay mo yan. Patay mo yan, putang ina.
Maximum protection. Kailangan natin mag-surf.
Huh?
Like we have to surf. We
Of
have to try.
course.
It's a vibes out here, yo. Island vibes. Hey, yo, we outside, yo. Real nature time. We outside, big waves. LU baby. Right, straight under the sun. Ang kapal ng mukha natin. Ya habibi, mahal. Ay, ate. Andito ba si Ate Danica?
Anong name na lang po?
J.A. Arevalo.
Piling ko na lang po yung order ko.
Anong gusto niyo, bro? Ate, I'm gonna go with this one. Ikaw, ano gusto mo? Ito? Ate Danica, big shout out to you. We haven't met yet, pero you're giving me a treat. So, I hope I can meet you today. Maraming salamat sa'yo. We're ordering now some healthy foods out here. It's really nice. And this is where we at. Hi ate, etong ano, isang funky monkey and then isang azul bowl din. Yeah, yun lang ate. And maybe just water, isang water for me. 2, make it 2. Wee. Ooh, wee. Shout out to my brothers. We outside. Heat, next level heat. Oh my God. Ayun lang sa akin, ito yung sa akin. Bomba clot. I ordered bomba clot. Yun oh. We got some ice cream from Kuya. Matagal ka na dito Kuya sa LU? 15 years ka na nagtitinda dito? Ay pucha, may ganun pa. Diet ako, hindi to pwede sa akin pero andito tayo sa LU ngayon. Right. Thank you Kuya. Kuya, pwede magbayad ng Gcash sa'yo?
Pwede po.
Lupit. Magkano isa Kuya? 50
50
tsaka 60. Yun, thank you Kuya, thank you, salamat.
Ano may bigay? Souvenir, sir.
Ano po?
Vlog yan, sir. Hi, vlog.
What's up Kuya? Yeah. Pag gusto niyo ng souvenir, rekta na kayo kay Kuya. Thank you Kuya. Yo, look at this. Sabi ko baka may makita akong tropa dito sa LU right now. Look who we got right now. Boss Pao. Boss Pao lang naman, hindi basta-basta. Andito kami ngayon sa Kabsat, yo. It's a freaking nice place out here in LU. Guys, ang lupet. Tatlo na yung taong kakilala natin. Big shout out to Chris Palses. Si Big Boss Pao. Tain na, ang lupet. Ang galing lang, you know. Look at this one. Yo, this is proper. See, look at the vibes. Look at ates and kuyas, you know. Pwede na tayo dyan mag-dinner, bro. Oh, if there's food, dito na tayo kumain. You're playing nice music, bro. You're playing nice music. Oh, really? What's up, bro? How you doing, man? How you doing? Nice to meet you, bro. I'm from Dubai. And I'm DJ and MC. Yeah. And I'm like, this tracks, this is what's been playing in Dubai. Afro house and shit. JH. Let me get you on Instagram. I'll get my phone.